All right, so I bought this Bayite fire starter from Amazon. It was like 10 bucks. Um, they say it puts off a lot of spark and it's pretty easy to use. So it's a 4-inch. It comes with a little striker here. It's supposed to be really good. Like they say that this is like the piece de la resistance. This is like what sets it apart. And then of course this is just the regular old rod. And you have to scrape off the black from the outside before you use it. So I'm gonna do that and see how well it works. All right, let's scrape that stuff off of the end first. Just kind of expose that metal. I don't know how much of this I gotta scrape off. Okay, I can start to see a spark now. Oh yeah. All right. So looks like once you get all that off, it's gonna throw a spark. All right, let's use this thing. Holy crap. This is way better than those cheap ones. All right, we're gonna test it on one of my little fire starter things here. Where is it at? Got a little, all right, this is just a little face pad that I put some Vaseline on. So I mean not Vaseline, wax. I put some wax on this face pad, so I'm just gonna break it open just like that. I'm gonna throw some spark on it and see if I can't get it to light. First try. Wow, this thing is awesome. The verdict is these things are freaking awesome, and I recommend buying one. I'm not getting paid for this or anything, but if you need a good fire starter, you can certainly do a lot worse. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you can't do it yourself, do it with Chomp.